Kamusta mga ate, kuya, beshi? Si Chari po ito mula sa The Sun, Moon, Stars, PH Tarot. Ipapaalam ko lang po na ito po ay isang general read o pangkahalatang pagbabasa at maaring hindi lahat ay magtugma sa inyong sitwasyon. I-check din nyo ang inyong Moon, Rising at Venus sign. Baka doon mas tumugma ang read para sa inyo. At kung ang mensahe ay tama sa inyo, paki-like lang po at mag-subscribe kung hindi pa ninyo ito ginagawa. Okay, mag-umpisa na po tayo.
Hello po mga ate, kuya, beshis. Kamusta na po kayo? Dito ulit ako si Chari para gumawa ng another reading. And this is for the sign of Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. And of course, welcome po yung mga cross-watchers natin at ang mga bago po nating viewers for Capi. Tingnan po natin kung ano yung enerhiya o mensahe na mapipick up po natin ngayon sa pagbasa na ito. We have the King of Cups. We have the Page of Swords. The Queen of Cups. The Ten of Pentacles. And the Six of Cups. Bottom niya is the Knight of Swords. Okay, Capi. So definitely, we have the King and Queen of Cups. There is a pair. This is a match. So if you're dealing with a water sign, Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio, this is the person for you. Ito yung taong para sa'yo kasi match kayo. Definitely the King of Cups. Itong tao na to ay may pagmamahal sa'yo. No? Definitely in love siya sa'yo. Okay? Or this could be you, Capricorn. Take it as it resonates. Kasi yung King of Cups kasi, pagdating sa emotion, talagang yung mararamdaman mo naman na may pagtingin sa iyo tong taong to. Yung nga lang, may tendency siya minsan to hold back, not to really express everything. Pero alam mo na once nag-open up tong tao na to, pinaalam niya sa'yo na kung ano talagang tunay na damdamin niya sa'yo, totoong mahal ka niya. So this could be you, Capricorn. Okay? Totoo na meron kang pagmamahal o pagtingin sa person mo. And with the Page of Swords, yun yung gusto mong iparating. You want to send this message truthfully to your Queen of Cups. So this could be, sabi ko nga, if you're dealing with a water sign, Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio. You wanted to express dito sa person mo yung talagang nararamdaman mong pag-ibig. Kung before nag-hold back ka, hindi mo masabi, for whatever reason, ngayon, gusto mong iparating dito sa iyong mahal na talagang ready na ako para sabihin sa iyo kung ano yung nasa aking puso. At ang nakikita ko kasi para sa ating dalawa ay ikaw yung aking ultimate happiness. I see you to be somebody na makakasama ko for the long haul. Pang matagalan. Habang ito yung tipong magkaroon na tayo ng apo, ikaw pa rin yung aking makakasama. And this person na may pagtingin ka, Capricorn, is somebody from your past. Itong person na to is somebody na bumalik sa'yo, sa buhay mo. Bigla siyang dumating sa buhay mo na hindi mo ina-expect. This person might be somebody na from your past life, or it could be somebody from your childhood, somebody na familiar ka, na may history ka with, no? Very nostalgic ang dating nitong person na to sa'yo. As if kilala mo na siya, but you don't seem to pinpoint exactly yung nararamdaman mong yun. But you know deep inside na parang nag-meet na kami before. So you know this person is truly special, and the feeling, the relationship that you will be having with this person is talagang something that is being blessed. Kasi nga, di ba, kita mo, 10 of Pentacles, the ultimate card. But of course, this card, sabi ko nga, this is something na you work on it. Pinagtatrabahuhan ito, pareho, to reach this 10 of Pentacles, to reach this total happiness. Now, you wanted something na talagang mabilis, no? Maging mabilis na ang developments nito. Kasi, nagiging burden na rin sa'yo sa pag-iisip kung ano na ang mangyayari sa aming dalawa. Dahil ang gusto ko lang naman magkaroon ng equal give and take. Ma-express ko sa person na ito na yung equal give and take. Alam ko na dati na naging mabagal ako. I know that I have been very slow in showing my affection. But now I have the courage with the Strength card to say what I need to say to this person. I know that I need to move forward para magkaroon ng change, no, para matupad yung gusto kong mangyari sa relationship na to. Okay? So, tignan natin. We have the Page of Wands, the Nine of Cups, the Three of Swords, the Emperor, and the Star. Bottom niya is the Page of Cups. Sabi ko nga, Capricorn, if you are this King of Cups, no, ikaw ito, yung energy na to, na pinapaalam mo, o you wanted na to express yung feelings mo sa kanya, sa person mo. Because there are two pages here. You want to speak the truth, and you wanted to express yung passion towards your person. You know, gusto mo iparating yon, yung nararamdaman mo sa kanya passionately. Okay? Hindi lang sabihin yung katotohanan, but also to express it, to let her or him know. Yun talagang nabubuong init sa damdamin mo towards yung person mo. And it will be a wish fulfillment for you kapag na-express mo to sa kanya. No? Pag nasabi mo na totally, with all honesty, sa person mo kung ano yung talagang tunay na damdamin. Your person, on the other hand, dahil nga hindi mo kasi masabi-sabi, nagkaroon siya ng heartache, no? Ba disappointment. Napupustrate siya sa'yo kasi wala siyang nalalaman o naiintindihan o naririnig from you. Hanggang ba naging tahimik ka lang, kinip-kip mo sa sarili mo eh. You just kept everything to yourself. Kaya hanggang ba yung person mo, parang ang sakit naman ito. Alam ko may pagtingin din siya sa akin, pero bakit hindi niya masabi? Kung ang tingin niya sa amin dalawa, tingin ko bagay kami, magiging kami na yung pangmatagalan. Bakit hindi siya malakas ng loob, no? Natanong yung person mo, why not have this energy of the Emperor na talagang matapang, mag-move forward, magsasabi, ipaalam kung ano yung talagang, kung this person will take the lead, no? Siya yung mag-uumpisa o mag-lead. Yung mag-uumpisa nga to parang mahata ka o gawin na natin to initiate, no? Yung relationship na mag-umpisa na tayo. Let's get into this relationship. Let's start building itong 10 of Pentacles natin. Yung pangarap natin pareho for this relationship. Kasi yun yung kailangan lang, para you need to have that communication. You need to have that energy of the Emperor to be determined, no? Kung parang you man up, magpakatatag ka, magpakalalaki ka, magpakatapang ka para masabi mo to at hindi na siya masaktan. Hindi na siya magkaroon ng alinlangan sa'yo. Sabi ko kasi this person is very special. Somebody na from your past life. And this is what you have wished for. Ibinigay ito sa'yo ni God, no? For you to have this opportunity, to have this second chance with this person. Kung binalik siya dito sa buhay na to para magkita kayo muli. And all you need is really to express that love. That page, Page of Cups, to express that love. Send that message. And we have another page. So we have 4 pages. All that needs to be a message. A simple message of love with honesty and passion and letting your person know that you are serious. Very serious dito sa person mo. Yun lang naman eh. That's what you need to do. Copy. Now, let us see kung ano pa yung message na gustong iparating sa'yo ng universe.